A small neodymium magnet can lift an object more than 100 times its own weight. Similarly, you can attract anyone in your life with just a few traits. Have you ever noticed? Well, some men act like magnets, and that women are desperately drawn to them. According to human nature, people are attracted to someone who possesses certain special magnetic qualities. In this video, I'll show you 5 traits that will make you a magnet like neodymium, and everyone around will be attracted. Lesson 1. Build an abundance mindset. Developing an abundance mindset in matters of love is akin to nurturing a flourishing garden. Just as a gardener tends to their plants with care, you must cultivate positivity and abundance in your approach to relationships. An abundance mindset in love entails recognizing the boundless opportunities for connection and fulfillment that exist in the world around you. Instead of viewing love as a finite resource, constrained by scarcity, embrace the belief that opportunities for meaningful connections are plentiful. Just as the universe teems with stars in the night sky, so too does it abound with potential partners, each offering unique experiences and possibilities for growth. When you adopt an abundance mindset in love, you release the grip of fear and insecurity that often accompanies scarcity thinking. Rather than clinging desperately to a single relationship or opportunity, you trust in the abundance of the universe to provide for your needs. Moreover, an abundance mindset in love fosters a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the connections you do have. Rather than lamenting what is lacking, you focus on the richness of the relationships that enrich your life, whether romantic or platonic. Lesson 2. Stop begging for love. You go on dates and you share first kisses and the basic list of facts about your life, but you're always left wanting more. Every time you think, this could be the one. Why? Because you are so eager to find someone to love. Why? Because you aren't loving yourself fully, so you're trying to find someone else to do it for you. This is why you keep having to beg for love. If you are having to constantly seek out what you want in a partner, or ask them to love you, isn't it? I think this is because you have to know how to love yourself. You have to love yourself in order to know how you are supposed to be loved. Lesson 3. Become financially free. You are at the stage when you start your career, or when you are very young, and you are not lucky enough to get inheritance from anyone during this phase. Your only asset is your time and your energy. When you work, you make money. Whenever you stop working, you stop making money. There is no leverage possible. You do not have a lot of alternative during this phase. You have to get a job, or to find a way to get money. Only you have to do some sacrifice as well. The money you are going to earn is precious, and you need to save it. If you make money but you spend all of it in buying gadgets, you will never be able to build any capital. Lesson 4. Stop being predictable. Predictability breeds boredom, while mystery ignites curiosity. Share bits of yourself gradually, allowing others to uncover your depths over time. Resist the urge to reveal everything at once, keeping others intrigued and engaged. People enjoy turning to education when they don't know how to solve a problem. When someone you love has unpredictable behavior, you might feel responsible for helping them cope or predicting how they might act in any circumstance. Understanding why a behavior occurs might help you understand the patterns this individual showcases. Unpredictable behavior is sometimes a symptom of mental illness. Talk to the person about how their behavior is impacting you. If they have a mental illness, you might educate yourself on the common symptoms of their condition and how it might align with their behaviors. Lesson 5. Create strong goals and purpose. Life without direction is like a ship without a rudder, aimlessly adrift. Define your passions and set tangible goals that give your life meaning and direction. Share your aspirations with others and demonstrate your commitment through action. Before we conclude, I invite you to reflect: do any of these behaviors resonate with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We value your insights. Remember, cultivating these traits isn't an overnight endeavor, but with dedication and practice, you can become a magnetic force, attracting the love and opportunities you desire. And if you seek more wisdom, don't forget to subscribe for future inspiration.